Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide application into a Realme GT Neo 3. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down, go into privacy option. Here choose hide apps option, and now from the list choose your application. For example, Google Chrome. Okay, now we got message that need set up a privacy password first, so go into our settings. Set up privacy password, confirm operation by tap use, verify this password, and now need enter your recovery information. For example, choose your security questions, father's name or mother's name, and then tap your answer and confirm operation, tapping OK in the top right corner. So now we got a message that needs to set up as access code, so tap settings one more time. Now we need to enter access code, for example this example, so maybe 113300, and tap OK in the top right corner. Tap not now, and we got success message, so tap done. Okay, and maybe one more application, maybe Facebook will be nice. So go to our home screen, and here you don't get this application because it's for hide. So go to our phone and enter our code 113300, and here we got our hidden application. So, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.